Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change background color of any image without any stress using your Adobe Photoshop. First thing first, you need to make sure that your picture is on a transparent background, that it has no single background. So next step you have to take is to make sure you go to your toolbar and look for quick selection tools. Right here, you have to click and hold down and select quick selection tools. So having select quick selection tools, then you can come and use it to select the area you would like to have your So you have to make sure that every area of the image was actually selected, just like what you see on the screen right here. So next step you have to take is to come to the adjustment layer right here. Make sure you click on adjusted layer and choose solid color. So when you choose a solid color, you can easily play around with the color of your choice. Then hit on OK. So you're going to have it this way. So the next thing you have to do is to come back to the layer here. Make sure you select the layer mask. So when you select the mask, you have to go to Home tab here, go to Image. From Image, go to Adjustment. Then from you have to click on Layer Mask. Okay. So when you click on Layer Mask, you have to go to Image, Adjustment, and then you look for Invert, or you click on Control plus I. So when you invert it, it's going to automatically set your background color without any stress. So you can play around with blend mode right here. You can click on here and make it multiply. Or you can make it color born, linear born, etc. You can also double click on this color thumbnail here, and once you are able to double click the color thumbnail, then the color palette is going to display. Then you can walk around and change your color. So you can walk around with the color, and it's the on updates, just like what you see right here. So guys, this is how you can easily change your background color of any image using your Adobe Photoshop without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.